Hey guys, what's going on? So, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this really cool model I just designed. Check it out. So, actually, before I show you how to make this, I want to say that this is actually going to be my anniversary video. So this is me celebrating 5 years of making videos. So, yeah, so I want to give everybody a huge thank you of each and every one of you who subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate that. So yeah, so I've been making videos for 5 years already. So this is going to be my anniversary video about that. So alright, so I want to show you this really cool model. This is an origami flag, but not just any flag. Check this out. What's really cool about it is that you just pull that flap up and it's color changed. See, you can write whatever you want in there, and you can pull the flap down and it's color changed. How cool is that? And yeah, and it's really easy to make too, so yep, so I'm gonna show you how to make it. Alright, here it goes. Okay, so here's what the flag looks like up close. See, I wrote boom on this part, and you can flip this flap up, and it's white, and I put high right here, and yeah, you can write whatever you want in there. See, so it's a color changing flag, and yeah, and it's really cool, and let's see if I can make it stand. Yeah, it's not really a standing model, but yeah, but I think it's so cool how color changes. Alright, so let's learn how to fold it. So, for this tutorial, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. And, let's see, what color should I use? Guess I'll go with purple. Okay, I'll use purple. So, let's begin. Wipe that up, and let's fold in half. It doesn't really matter what side you have up, because this part, it's gonna color change, so it doesn't really matter. And fold to here. Oh, by the way, if you begin white that up, you'll end up with a white pole. But if you want a colored pole, then begin color side up. Okay, and fold to here. And now fold to the top, like this. And repeat. Okay, and now turn over and let's fold in half. Okay, and now stay on the side that, so here's this edge right here. Stay on this side and rotate it like this. So here's the edge. So make sure this edge is on the bottom. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this part and we're gonna fold it up how much? Well, this is to taste. So this is gonna be the actual flag part, the part that color changes. So if you want it to be longer, fold it up less like this and you'll have a shorter pole. But if you want it to be really short with a longer pole, fold it up like this. I'm just gonna go somewhere in between, so about like this. And make sure that this is 90 degrees or it's perpendicular, like that. And now take this edge and fold it to here. We're almost done, can you believe it? And unfold, and this is the tricky step, so open the pocket and we're gonna tuck this inside, like that. And there is our flag. Okay, so at this point you can write whatever you want on this part. You can write in here, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to show you how to make a color change, like this. So to do that, we're going to just kind of get these out of the way here. Take this raw edge and fold it down. See? And this is what it looks like on the inside. Fold it down like this. And you're making a new diagonal fold right here too. Okay? And to close it, like that. See? And now it's color changed. Look at that, isn't that cool? And to turn it back into white, take this and fold it up like that. That's kind of a fun step, actually. And fold it down, and just kind of exercise it. See? Just keep doing that like that. And there it is. Oh, and if you want to kind of three-dimensionalize the pole, just make a rabbit ear right here to taste. Just fold this pole in half. And just fold to about there, and then you can make a a valley fold in between here and here. See, like that. If you want, that's not really necessary. Yep, and there it is. So I want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you who subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. And yeah, so it's been 5 years of me making videos. So yeah, and I'm doing pretty good. And I look forward to many more years of doing videos too. I'm gonna keep doing videos, by the way. The videos are not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep on doing them for the rest of my life. So yeah, I think this color changing is really cool. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys made this, I'd like to see demos of it, and make a link to your demo in the comments below so I can go see it. Alright, hope you guys like this flag, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.